the floating outline effect. This is one of my favorite outline effects because it makes your design really stand out without adding a bunch of extra elements. Hey guys, it's Alisha. Welcome back. Hope you are all doing well. I have been snooping over here on Etsy again, and whenever I see a design that is one, a bestseller, and two, 20 plus in the carts, then I know I need to teach this and how to make it. So as you can see, this design has one of those floating outlines. These designs have the illusion of a floating outline, and I'm going to show you exactly just how to make it. And let's hop on over to Canva. I'll also throw my design over here in my Ultimate Design Vault, which includes also all of my doodle letters, pattern letters, metallic alphabets, Canva templates, you name it, and everything includes a commercial license. I want something landscape, so I'm going to go down here to custom size, and I'm just going to choose 5,000 by 3,000 pixels. You can choose whatever you want. It doesn't have to be that large. I'm going to click on text and add a heading. And I'm going to type vacay right here. I'm going to change my font to Yearbook Solid. These varsity fonts are super popular right now. And make it just a little bit bigger. I'm going to change the color, and something that I like to do is upload an image that already has the color palette that I want to use. In this case, I'm going to use this one and just move it over here to the side temporarily. This just makes my life a lot easier. Rather than typing in the colors here, I can just go here, go up here to color, and click on the color dropper, and then just click on the color, and then that is how easy that is to do. And then just delete that once I get the color that I'm looking for. And then I can always upload that again if I need it. So the next step is I'm going to click on Effects, and I'm going to go to Outline, and we're going to take and change the color of the outline to the same color of the font. Next, we're going to take the thickness. Now, this is where it's a matter of preference. You can take this and make it as thick or non-thick as you want to, but I do recommend that you at least up to like 125. And that's where I'm going to go with it. Once we have this, click on this plus sign. We're going to duplicate this image. So we have two of these, and I'm going to make sure they align perfectly. And next, we're going to go to Effects, and we're going to change this color to white. We're going to take the thickness back down. This is where, again, this is a matter of preference. So I'm going to take mine to about right here, about 57. I really like it about right here. I'm going to go ahead and upload the image again of the colors because I want to change the inside. I'm going to right click on this image. I'm going to click layer. I'm going to go to show layers. What I want to do is click on this layer right here, this bottom layer, and I'm going to go up here where the color is currently pink, and I want to take the color dropper and I want to change the color to Dragonfly. Now I'm just going to group this together. I'm going to go ahead and download this with a transparent background. If you do not have Canva Pro, you can always head over to Microsoft Designer and you can take out the background for absolutely free. I'm going to download this as a transparent background. I'm going to go ahead and add a page. And I'm going to snatch this image and pull it over here. I'm also going to crop this down just a little bit. Okay, next I'm going to make this just a little bit bigger. And I'm going to center this. Next, I'm going to add the word vibes. And I'm going to change my font. I really want something in like a beach. I'm going to use the font Beach Resort. This is about right here. And then I also want to change the color of vibes. We're getting close. We're almost done with this design. And next I'm going to go to elements, and I want to add just like a little palm tree and change the color of this as well. I absolutely love how this design turned out, and you can put this on a t-shirt, tote bag, beach bag, anything that you would like. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next one.